Let me tell you this, the older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man. L-I-V-I-N.
Yeah, it's the summertime, so all my friends are home again. No more writing papers, yeah, instead we just stay rolling them. Some wild kids, I'm like, good luck with controlling them. Cause we might fuck around and blow up soon like some petroleum. A nice dude, I try to mind my P's and Q's. Like I don't like to wild out, but this my season 2. So I got a secret view, it's just for me and you. Plus you looking fire, we could cool off with the breeze or two. Yeah, either that or we can go and take a dip up in the ocean. Or maybe drive on the shore while sipping on a potion. Can be a helping hand if you need it with the lotion. It's every day and night like we going through the motions. I need a vacation where all my brothers can stay wasted. I'm only fucking with you, I guess I play favorites. Hey, this chick is so damn bad, she turned me on without even touching me, bro. She treat me like a PlayStation. Stay patient, now I'm reaping all the benefits. Politics and shit, but I love all the green presidents. With a special shout out to the homie Benjamin, cause if I stack enough of him, I'll cop myself a better whip. But for now you'll find me cruising in my Honda. I drive it to the stew and turn that bitch into a sauna. Cause every single track I touch is hotter than Rihanna. I was born to be great and you can go and ask my mama. I don't pay attention to drama, cause drama never paid me. 2 middle fingers to the world, y'all can't faze me. My teachers call me lazy, the ladies call me baby. And you can ask my coaches, man, they'll say that boy he crazy. I'm wavy like the Navy, killing shit while I'm so militant. Hard to tell, but I'm chilling behind these window tints. Crack the glass just so I can feel the breeze. Got my foot up on the gas as I ride around with these. And no one's saying cheese, but you can catch me with the grin. Got the wind up at my back, so now I'm back to getting wins. Smell of roses in my nose, sun up on my skin. But if I have to take a hit, I'll take it on the chin. Cause life can be a bitch, but I still love her. She yours and yours only, don't compare it to another. All the lyrics clean and the beat is smooth as butter. There's something different in the air, I think it feels like summer. Yeah. Unaware of the damage that she's done, she's delusional. But she gets away with it because that bitch is beautiful. They only love you when you gone, ain't that the usual? She would probably only fall for me if I might. Unaware of the damage that she's done, she's delusional. But she gets away with it because that bitch is beautiful. They only love you when you gone, ain't that the usual? She would probably only fall for me if I might. At my funeral, she would probably only fall for me up at my funeral. At my funeral, they only love you when you're gone. You went and played your cards and they were hard, thought we were suitable. But that was just a trick, I should've known that'd be some shit you'd pull. You might be irreplaceable, but you're not irremovable. So I cut you off, cause sorry, this shit's just not doable. Hey, I had no choice, yeah, I had to let you go. But before I did, yeah, I thought I'd let you know that this was never something that I wanted. But fuck it, I guess this is how it goes. So if I die young, then grab that whiskey from my cabinet, pour it on my casket, take a swig and then go pass it to my gang and let them have it. And if you know who decides to show up, I imagine they can't help but start laughing, cause she's unaware of the damage that she's done, she's delusional. But she gets away with it because that bitch is beautiful. They only love you when you gone, ain't that the usual? She would probably only fall for me if I might. Unaware of the damage that she's done, she's delusional. But she gets away with it because that bitch is beautiful. They only love you when you gone, ain't that the usual? She would probably only fall for me if I might. At my funeral, she would probably only fall for me up at my funeral. At my funeral, they only love you when you're gone. You were making jokes while I was feeling like a mess, yeah. You would walk away while I was bleeding out my chest, yeah. Said that you were down to ride, you were never on my side. Shit, you even made friends with the demons in my head, yeah. How'd our story turn tragic? We were high up in the clouds and now our plane's crashing. You said your feelings disappeared, but this ain't magic.